So, did anyone else notice me completely forget to do a very important step when mounting the CPU and cooler? Yeah, thermal paste. Duh. So I'm gonna have to undo that one. And basically, to put thermal paste on these, just give me 1 sec. I guess you would put it on the cooler first. And, we're just gonna kinda... There we go. That should be enough for our CPU. And then put that. And we just slap the CPU on there like so. This is perfect. Oh yeah, that's a good sound. That's a sound you want to hear from your CPU cooler. Yep. That's how you know it's really on there.